Hi guys, in the overview of Dialogflow ES, right? First, these are for those who are not aware what is Dialogflow is, what is how to create chatbot in the Dialogflow. If you already know this, skip this chapter. Okay. So let's say if you move to Dialogflow once you logged in, right? So you can use your Gmail ID, any of the Gmail ID that you have, and once you logged in, you will get this page, right? So what you have to do is go to create agent and what I'm getting over here. Okay, no issues. Do we have existing project? Okay, so usually you don't get existing project over here. Okay, but what do you say? But you can type a name over here and it will automatically create a project for you, and this will be created under the GCP, Google Cloud Platform. Okay. So if I go to the cloud console, I can see over there also. So let's give the name something called read the manual. Yes. Okay. Let's create. Okay. So this has been created. So this is how the chatbot looks like. By default, you get welcome and fallback intent. Then we have entities. Then we have knowledge base. Then fulfillment for backend integration, and then integration for different channels, and then these are the reporting stuff. Then if you want to use any of the existing chatbot which has been there, you can use that one. And then there is a small talk like for the hi, hello, and all this thing it will provide you. Note that this is created under free trial, so that if you have to make an API call outside of Google, then you have to upgrade to the pay as you go. So yeah, this is how we can create an agent. This is all this video about. Next, we will cover inside the settings. What are all these setting tabs means? Okay. Thank you. Have a nice day.